going on, guys? And today we are going to be making
Popsicles.
what kind of popsicles? Strawberry and pineapple swirl popsicles.
Yeah.
Let's tell them about our ingredients. So what do we got here? We have
Strawberry, mangoes, and pineapple, orange, and coconut milk.
and some agave to make it nice and sweet, right?
Yes.
And we also have our popsicle holders, which we got from IKEA.
And we go to the store and we got it.
Yes.
Okay,
All right.
let's
So
take it
before
off.
we get to these, first we have to cut all of our fruit, right?
Yeah.
All right. So we have here
Strawberry. And
strawberries. So first we're
Don't-
gonna start. Cut off the head.
And don't cut your fingers.
Don't
And
cut your fingers. That's right.
Linda.
Okay. So let's put them all back in here.
Let's put them all
right.
back.
So after we cut the strawberries, then we have to mix the strawberries, orange juice, and a tablespoon of agave.
Yeah.
And what are we going to blend them in? The blender.
Up and
right.
It's down here.
Oh.
You chop it.
Blender. All right. So let's open it up.
Open it.
Okay.
I put the
So,
strawberries
you want to
in.
get the strawberries? Go ahead. Put the strawberries in. Be
Okay.
careful.
We can get the lemon.
Yeah, so go ahead. Put them in. Be careful.
I did it.
Good
You
job.
did it.
Okay. One. And then orange juice.
Yes.
Go ahead.
I like orange.
Pour it all in. There you go. And then, to make it a little sweet, we're going to put a tablespoon of agave.
Okay.
One,
Another one.
two. Let's make it a little more sweeter. One more.
Another one.
Okay?
Yes, and 3.
Okay. So,
You dropped this thing.
all right. So next, we are going to close it. Put the lid on it.
And we
Press it. Press it. Harder. Alrighty. So now,
got our whiskey strawberries.
alright.
Juicy strawberry.
Yes. So now we're going to pour this back into here.
It's alive. Oh, it's alive. It's alive. It's alive. It's alive.
Look, lemon strawberry.
Oh, one more strawberry. Well, it's okay. We don't need that one. Just one left. Okay. And the next step is to cut the
Pineapple.
and the mangoes
And the mangoes.
and then mix them all together in the blender with the coconut milk. Ready?
Yes.
Let's go.
Oh, it's wet.
Yes. So. Now, and next, we gotta cut this pineapple.
Yes.
Ready?
Whoa, what are you
So
doing?
first, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna cut the top.
Whoa, you cut the big one.
And then we're gonna cut the sides off.
That's a bigger now to cut it.
Here, you take it.
About over here.
Good?
We like that.
Okay. So now that we have our mangoes and pineapples all diced up, they are ready to get put in the blender.
Yes! One
Get back. Just put the top on. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, press it.
It's just 0.
Alright. So now we are done with the blender.
We're done with one now. Let's
Take that next jar.
Okay, I can do it. Because
Nice. Alrighty. So we got that done. We made a little mess, but we can fix that later on, right?
because we can clean up.
Yes, we can clean up. Okay, so what's next?
Next one we have to put these.
Ding, 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 ding. Now we have to put our mixes inside our popsicle holders. Okay, so let's put these here.
Let's put these here and we
Alright.
can taste
So
it
now we're gonna start
out.
pouring in. Okay.
Yes.
So first we'll
Don't-
do some strawberry. Ooh. Not too much. So we can have a nice little swirl on it, right?
Yes. A waffle, Daddy.
We're gonna actually, I had something out for this.
Tastes like waffle,
Let's
Daddy.
actually switch this to here so we can do it a little better without such a mess. Okay?
We'll never make a mess again. Whoa, nice. What? This one's gonna be nice. Gonna be nice, Will.
Hmm?
Not too much. Not too much. Wait a minute.
Oh, wait, this one needs some more.
And this one needs a little more.
And let's put a little bit more red in this one.
This one is gonna be so good, Daddy. Or with double
Alright.
good.
So now, let's put all of the sticks back in.
Oh no, it has a little bit of mess here.
Here.
We can put all first place.
Here you go. Just place it right on top.
Okay, okay.
Boop. And got it.
And one more
Mhm.
of that.
All right. And next step. What's the next step?
We can put
Wait,
it
wait, wait.
in
Let
the
me help you.
blender.
Let me help you so we make sure we don't make a mess. All right. You got it? Go ahead. Then we're going to put them in the freezer for 3 hours.
3 hours later.
All right, guys. So we are back.
Gentlemen, the show starts in 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go.
Wow. Here, one for you. And then let's see if we can get another one out.
How about me?
Mm.
So good.
Wow.
It tastes
Delicious.
delicious.
Cheers. Cheers. Well, thank you guys for coming out to Bella's popsicle lesson.
After we're done, after we get new videos for making food,
So we'll be coming with new videos, making lots of different foods and experiments.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
You heard it there first.